Well, a first-of-its-kind hybrid rugby match has taken place in Sydney tonight. The League and Union combo was watched by Sports Tonight's Nick Lockyer. Nick, how did it go?
Yeah, thanks, Brad. Well, with the birth of a new concept, you're always going to have some nuts and bolts to figure out, but that's exactly what tonight was about. Now, I'll quickly run you through the rules. Now, coming out of your end, you play 60 seconds of league. If you get over the halfway mark, then you switched over to union-style rules. You've got a minute to use the ball. It's a 13-man game. You play contested scrums, and there's line-outs in the opposition territory. Confusing? You bet. Now, it wasn't only confusing for you at home, it was also confusing for the players themselves. The League boys struggled at the breakdown, and with the line-outs, the Union boys, on the other hand, struggled getting back the 10, but it was a pretty successful night out here. Let's hear what some of the greats had to say.
Yeah, you cross the halfway line, all of a sudden the rules change. But look, I think this sort of innovation is really good for both codes.
It's an international game. It's an IPL concept with what cricket's done overseas. I think you can instigate something very similar to this here or right around the world.
Let's forget about the Kangaroos playing the Wallabies. Let's play the Kangaroos against the All Blacks in a hybrid game. That is something people will want to see.
And Brad, it was actually a pretty exciting fixture out here tonight. St Augustine's just snuck home 16-12. I think it'll be a while before we see a Wallabies versus Kangaroos match. It's been pretty chilly out here. I'm going to duck home for a cup of tea. Good luck to you back there.
Good on you. Go get that cup of tea, thanks to Nick.